It's a daily or a Saturday routine to capture CPA, either coming or going or both. And here it comes as we join you from the media parking next to the International Terminal. I don't think we're going to see it actually touch down, but we will get close. See, there we go. Hey, we did get it. Whoa, holy smoke, look at the stir that Challenge Cargo just created. Oh, wow. That is an impressive cloud stir there. Korean Airlines 35 Heavy has decided to go with runway 26 right today, so we would lose it very quickly, but Challenge and its filthy old livery is here for me to observe on my side. Runway 27 left. Oh my god, look how dirty it is. Ugh, boy, they significant dirt. Really gotta clean this thing up. Look at that. Ugh, it's filth. Front and back are filthy. But we're okay with it as long as we get the 747. They have not accepted my challenge to clean this aircraft, likely because they're going to repaint it. Very good challenge. Oh my god, it's Reno Air! Hell yes! Hell to the yes! Oh, spectacular. I forgot that was coming today. Reno Retro. Hot diggity dog. Thank you, American, for your retro spirit. Now, I wonder if that's... oh, hey, Korean Airlines coming apart. But Giant has been cleared. This is our favorite bipolar Giant because it's a mix of Polar Air Cargo, DHL, and, of course, Giant. We're going to have a race. Oh, I think Giant's going to win. Bipolar Giant is always an early rotator. I will be thrilled if it rotates before it even gets to Concourse F. Let's see. Hey, dude, absolutely up so quick every time. Hey, look, it's the one they call Sun, but it's not. It's not Sun or Sun Country. I'm sorry, I just like to abuse that word. It's Prime Air bringing Hartsfield its latest round of packages. I'm sure my wife has 5 or 6 on board right now. My wife has packages on board a Sun. For those of you unaware, this is supposedly a Sun Country flight. At least that's what you would think if you were looking at FlightAware or Flight Radar 24. But it's not Sun Country, it's Prime Air. And I enjoy calling Sun Country Sun. So that's the origin of the joke. I'll be bleeping myself out. I hope you enjoyed it.
500 heavy, line at 51270, runway 27 left, good land. Good left, who's left,
and that's right, folks. You heard it here first. Astral, or call sign Atlanta. Fuck Me and the Astral is brought to you by me and Mark. Okay, I'm assuming no go around for us, but at least we get Astral waving its wings at us to say hello. Yeah. Alrighty, Astral.
Sounds good. AC heavy line at tower, wind 170 at 6, runway 27 left, clear to land. 27 left, to land, Tomjet 8883.
Hey everyone, Tomjet! Yo, look at Tomjet! You know who Tomjet is, folks? Do you? In case you don't, it's the call sign for TUI! Mark, what country is Tomjet from? Mark does not know. We are unaware. I know it's Western Europe, and they always sound rather British on the radio, but I don't want to assume, and my radio just ran out of batteries. Can you believe that? Well, don't worry. What is it, Mark? It's British. Tui is British. I wonder what Tui means in that language. Does it mean a cigarette? Probably not. Does it mean an elevator? Probably not. What is the other thing? A flashlight? Probably not. Just thinking of words that the Brits use other words for. It's alright, Tom Jet's bringing us some cargo, and we're thrilled to have it. Oh God, I'm sorry, Mark. I just smacked Mark with my tripod. I'm being reckless.
769, if we want to tower, on the right line up and wave, new departure frequency 125.7.
And ladies and gentlemen, this is not just any ordinary 717. It's a 717 piloted by Adam. We are here for Adam. Adam is in the sky for us, but I think he's going to peek his nose out here and wave to us. Told you Adam was going to be poking his nose out. Adam! Roll the window down. Oh God. I'm going to do the honk your horn thing. Do the honk your horn thing, folks.
Short 27 right at Tango, Delta 2777. 2777, monitor 123.85.
Oh, come on, give me Adam. Let Adam take off. Oh, we missed Adam's takeoff clearance. All right, let's wave to him and give him the honk your horn. Honk your horn, Adam. Honk your horn. I'm sure he saw that before he got hung up in the chain link and barb. That was fun. Ladies and gentlemen, you'll never believe where we are filming this A330 underwear bomb aircraft from. That's right. The first important fact is this is the A330 that some douchebag attempted to blow up by putting some kind of explosive in the void where his genitals would ordinarily be.
He essentially was trying, he blew his dick off.
Yeah, if he had one. I'm not sure he had one to begin with. Oh, Boise's. Looks like getting rocked. This is arriving on 26 right. Currently, the International Park Ride deck is closed, and it's been that way for... Oops, that's Sam's head. Don't mind it. It's been that way for over 2 months. So, on this occasion, we've decided to take over this construction site, and whatever this big machine is, they take our International Park Ride deck away. We're going to fill the void somehow. Hey, there's a ladder. We actually could use that. We won't steal it. Oh, yeah, dude. Here we go, here we go. There's a little resting point. Doesn't look like I'm missing much. This is a little bit more strenuous with a backpack and a tripod and a bottle of Powerade in your pocket. It's alright though. There's Sam! Look, I made it! Holy shit, this is perfect. Come on! Sam, will you help me get this thing out from... It's attached. There we go. Oh, we're gonna have to sing the Tri-Holer song, y'all. I was trying to figure out if a lighter tone Tri-Hole song would be more appropriate for biz jets, but it sounded kind of lame. Like Tri-Holer is a Tri-Holer. Tri-Holer, Tri-Holer, but that doesn't work. This is out of Tampa, and it's a beaut. Falcon 900. Look at that cockpit windscreen. I'm shooting from a new vantage point. First time I've ever been atop whatever this piece of construction equipment is. My tripod's not adequately set up. Tri-Holer, Tri-Holer, Tri-Holer. Right there. I was going to lose that. Oh, sunshine. Brilliant. Oh, flagship in the sunshine. Yeah. We are live from a frontier of spotting, so to speak, standing atop construction equipment, the use of which we don't even understand. I have no idea what this application could be, but that's beside the point. Flagship is the point. You can hear these shutters snapping as we all gleefully observe. What a wonderful sight. Landing on 26. We have a go around. It's a go around. Everyone, stop what you're doing and look. A 717 is going around. Adam, why is this happening?
I don't know, but he needs to put his gear up.
Yes, gear up.
Put his gear up.
Would be recommendation. Are we gonna not go gear up?
They weren't expecting it.
Yeah. I can't see. Is there somebody on that runway down there or something? Damn, 7-1.
Put your gear up.
Yeah. It's a part of the toga checklist, is it not?
It is.
Maybe they're just gonna turn like right back onto short final, so.
Maybe he just hasn't gone positive rate yet.
I thought I saw a positive rate there.
Is this Honor Brigade?
This is Sky Team Honor Brigade. They are like the Top Gun pilots of all of the Sky Team code-share airlines. The best of the best.
Are chosen to fly the Sky.
They are. They're like kind of like display pilots, like the Blue Angels, because they're also intended to recruit, but they're also crisis responders. You'll see these guys going to all sorts of places that are wrought with peril. I can't think of one off the top of my head, but trust me, Seoul was pretty terrifying back in the 1950s. Oh, look! The other Koreans are leaving just in time for this one to come take its place. I need to be able to sing some kind of Honor Brigade song, only with BTS providing the vocals. I don't speak Korean. I would only sound offensive if I tried. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-ding-ding-ding-ding. See, offensive. Sky Team! Sky Team! Sky Team! On a Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. Alright, and now, Korean Airlines, the original 36 Heavy is now rolling. Let's get our pan a little bit smoother. We don't have very much time to pan, so let's make sure our pans are smooth. No jerks. No jerks. Doing pretty good now, I'm not jerking. There we go, 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 and into the tail end of its Sky Team brother. Delta 44 off to JFK. This is chock full of commuters. That's right, folks, commuters. Do you wonder what I mean? I mean hometown airline employees commuting to their base at John Fitzgerald Kennedy International Airport. And that's all we have to say. Hey, it's Tom Jet. Look, Tom Jet's back, folks, coming in on the south side, hitting some bushel. We are now occupying a new position, or a different position, as it were. My construction site trespass is where we are. Oh, I can still get it. And there it goes. So here we've climbed whatever this piece of construction equipment is, because our International Park Red Deck is closed, which I've already discussed with you ad nauseum. Delta 31 Heavy! Sorry. Oh, the seasonal allergies put a film of phlegm in my throat. Let's try that again. Delta 31 Heavy is in from London Heathrow, arriving on runway 26 right. That's right, 26 right. Double bogeys, A330, 300, screaming a little bit now at the end. Smooth panning is all the rage these days. We're going to try to zoom in on that and smooth pan at the same time. KLM 623 Heavy is an A330, 300, and I have not heard it receive clearance, but that doesn't mean it hasn't. Damn. Wallowing a bit, waving its wings. Oh, it looks brilliant. Oh my God almighty! What is going on up there with that wind? It said winds were calm during the last wind check. KLM, thanks for coming north, baby. I have to step over my tripod, excuse me. And there it goes, looking beautiful. Looking mighty nice. Hey, look, a hometown airline A330, 300. Oh, hot shit! It is a Southwest Special Livery. It is Nevada, or Nevada. Barely make it out due to the back glittery, but it's something to smile about. Nevada, or Nevada. Oh my, we're gonna get it back now. It is now on short final, or what we'll call short final. This might not be the official definition of short final, but it's gonna be landing shortly. So, it's worthy of being called short final by the layman, or laywoman. A little bit of wing waving to say hello to me. That's what that's all about. They're very surprised to see me atop this piece of construction equipment. I don't know what it is that I'm standing atop, but it's just something construction related. And this flight crew can't believe their eyes. Is that old Maddie up there? Holy shit. Okay, let's do smooth panning. I'm not able to pivot up here, so I hope this is to your liking. Sinking into the landscape. It's Sky Team, it's Sky Team, it's Sky Team in the form of Delta 924 Heavy out of Salt Lake City. Sky Team is here for the second time today, making us feel calm. We are no longer anxious or paranoid, but we know Sky Team has everything taken care of. There will be no trouble today. There will be nothing to fret about. We've actually had 2 Sky Teams. It's like double insurance. Boy, does it look good when it's front-lit. Oh, slick. Backing it out so I can have a little bit of room for air. Oh, Sky Team. Wherever there's trouble, I'm seeing there. Sky Team is there. Delta 296, Delta 296.
Delta 296 Heavy Star, wind 2807, gust 15, runway 26 right, cleared 2.
And there you have it, folks. Another flagship for us. But this is no ordinary flagship. This is the alleged Delta Spirit. We won't carry on about that quite yet because it's not close enough. But brace oneself. Instead of creating a special livery, they created a goddamn cheek stamp again. Just like the one that was on the 777. See? There it is. Looks like he or she is struggling a bit. There we go. Straighten it out, you stupid Spirit cheek stamp. God, that just galls me. It's the first time I've seen it since it came out. It's been like 2 months. I've been purposely avoiding it. Oh, it just leaves such a sour taste in my mouth. Bah! Oh, God. Oh, God.
Emergency aircraft is Delta 1588,
What?
a heavy Boeing 767. Nature of the emergency is flap issues. Landing runway 27 right.
Oh, my God.
20,000 pounds of fuel. 179 souls on board. 0 infants. 0 hazardous material.
Repeat the call sign, please.
Delta 1588, 1588.
Roger, next land.
Roger that. Endeavor 4642, contact the pilot.
Okay, wow, we have an emergency. Flight radar to real life reconciliation reveals our emergency aircraft, Delta 1588 Heavy with flap issues, coming in on runway 27 right. Please remain in focus. There he is.
Delta 1588 Heavy, let it know. Wind 230 at 4, gust 15. Runway 27 right, clear to land.
Okay, once again, please, clear land, 27 right, that's 1588 Heavy.
Wind 230 at 4, gust 15.
Thank you.
Okay, here we go. I would like to examine your flaps, my friend. Can't tell if those are full flaps or half flaps or what degree they are. I'm not a professional aviator. I just stand out here and armchair quarterback or whatever that word is, or phrase. Flaps are down, but are they down to the extent that they should be? Stay tuned and find out next. Okay, now let's re-examine these flaps. Can't tell if they're down all the way or not. Still won't be able to. Okay, coming fast. Looks like it's a little bit faster than normal. Okay, we're gonna catch a little bit more of it here. And I'm sorry for shaking it because it's gone now. Okay.
Delta 1588, roger that. Join Mike and ground point 75.
Alright, join Mike and ground point 75, Delta 1588 heavy.
And that ends our emergency. Oh, hang on. Ow! Damn it, I just ran into something that hurt myself. Is this a Sky Team again? Excuse me. Oh! It's like a goal, you know, in soccer when they score a goal. That's what I was doing there. I am completely not set up for this. This was a surprise after examining a 767. But the third Sky Team of the day is here to make sure that emergency aircraft has lots of blankets and warm cocoa. Hey, it's Amazon Prime Air 767-300 Doves. Oh, but this isn't really the treat that I'm excited about. The treat that I'm excited about is way back here. Don't mind the long pan. There's a very long aircraft in store. That's right. You guessed it. Speed the 227 Heavy with an A350-1000. Damn it. How do I say 1000 with a British accent? 1000. Let's see, it doesn't sound right. And here they come with their extra long A350-900. I just instinctively call it a 900. I'm sorry. An A350-1000 XWB. Let's pan smoothly here. It is backlit, but backlit season is quickly disappearing. Alright, I'm gonna have to move the tripod. Just please excuse me. Don't get nauseous. Bear with me. Look how long that Speedbird is. Wow. 1000, baby. Whoa, we're gonna go do some slam dunk action here, because that's what it looks like. Second, oh my god, this might not even be doable. Look at this. This could be a go-around. This doesn't look right. How about a Prime Air go-around? My packages don't mind. They won't even know the difference. As long as you don't crash it. Oh man, steep nose down visual approach. Obviously, my goodness. My goodness. Slam dunk approach indeed. This still doesn't look right. Is this coming in on 2.8? Maybe that's why it looks all jacked up. This is weird. I don't know what Prime Air is doing. Yeah, go around. It's a go around. Yes! F yeah, Prime Air go around. Oh, hell yeah. Hell to the yeah. I knew you didn't have it from the get-go. Yes! Fantastic. Okay, don't mind the construction equipment. Right there, still with the gear down.
Go Tower, Delta 1976 depot.
I want to hear an explanation.
Farm was at the number 55 15 home. The number 5515, heroin 33010, with choose for short, clear left.
Oh, now the gear's going up.
Cross 27.
Damn, he is close. S-turn! S-turn, yeah! S-turning. Tell me about the S-turn, please.
97, relay 496.
Yeah! S-turn all over my face! Looking right at me now.
And American 10 drive, just want to make sure that they clear for takeoff on after Sunday.
This could still end up being a go-around, but right now it is the second most pleasurable final approach anomaly, the S-turn. Oh, boysies, are we in luck today? Still,
Thank you guys. The wind is 31011.
S-turning it. Okay, so I guess the S-turn earned him clearance.
1672.
Air France 688 will come in right behind our S-turning A321. I'd love to see some S-turns out of this A350-900XWB. That's right, you heard it first. You heard it here first, rather. Air France has decided to return us to Airbus A350 duty, and we love it. I'm sorry, I'm just screaming over the ATC man. So Speedbird brings the A350-1000 and Air France brings the 900 XWB. Wow, what luck we are having here this Sunday afternoon. Air Canada 7263-ish. I might be wrong, I don't know. I am now perched atop the top of the construction equipment that I have been using as my platform all afternoon long. Want to get a little bit higher up in order to catch things like this wintergreen Air Canada. It's in from Frankfurt, bringing us all sorts of cargo and whatnot, but I feel kind of vulnerable sitting all the way up here. See, I'm just like, hang on, I got a tripod with me too. And here comes what we've been waiting for all day. This 737-500 is the former Biden-Harris campaign aircraft. I'm not saying anything political about pro or con. I'm just pointing it out. I've climbed up again on top of this construction equipment just so I can get a glimpse of this 737-500 rarity. Get a tail number. There you go. You got one. I am tripodless. I'm human tripod. This is off to Burbank, California.
Departure will stay for Care 4828.
Oh, come on, I can barely see it. There. Nice, sorry for the shakies. Oh, Virgin, do you have a white nose? What in the hell is this? I think we have a wardrobe malfunction. Wardrobe malfunction. Wardrobe malfunction. Virgin has a white nose. Oh my god, has this Virgin been getting into the blow? Yeah, that's a pretty sweet looking wardrobe malfunction. Why would they have white? They borrowed it from Speedbird. My goodness. Main line? Oh, talking about another runway. Either way, look, it is Virgin. I feel obligated to speak in the British accent for Virgin as well, especially when there's a wardrobe malfunction. Pardon my terrible planning skills, I don't have a lot of room to maneuver up here. Coming in on runway 26 right.